Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-tackling a question I get all the time. How can I start investing if I don't have the time or energy to research hundreds of different stocks? It's a great question, and the answer might surprise you with how simple it is. We're going to talk about what I like to call the lazy way to invest. And trust me, in this case, lazy is a very, very good thing. You see, a lot of people think investing means you have to be glued to your screen, watching charts, reading annual reports, and trying to predict the next big thing. That's one way to do it, sure. But it's high stress, time consuming, and honestly, most people who try to do it, even the professionals, don't end up beating the market average. So what if I told you there is a method that is not only easier, but has a better track record for the average person? Enter the world of index funds. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy, and it's perfect for beginners. An index fund is a type of investment that holds a basket of stocks designed to mirror a specific market index. What's an index? Think of it as a scorecard for a big chunk of the stock market. The most famous one is the S&P 500. This index tracks the performance of 500 of the largest and most influential companies in the United States. So when you buy a share of an S&P 500 index fund, you're not just buying one company, you're buying a tiny, tiny piece of every single one of those 500 companies. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, the giants of the economy. Instantly, with one single purchase, your investment is spread across hundreds of different companies in various industries. This is called diversification, and it's your best friend as an investor. Why? Because if one company has a bad quarter, it has a very small impact on your overall investment since you own 499 others. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Now, let's compare this to trying to pick individual stocks. You might spend weeks researching a company, feel confident, and invest a significant amount. But what if unexpected bad news comes out? What if a competitor releases a better product? Your investment could take a serious hit. With an index fund, that risk is massively reduced. You're betting on the long-term growth of the entire US economy, not just the fate of one or two companies. Here's the part that really drives it home. Legendary investor Warren Buffett has famously said that for most people, a low-cost S&P 500 index fund is the best investment they can make. He even made a bet that over a decade, a simple S&P 500 index fund would outperform a hand-picked selection of hedge funds, and he won by a landslide. The pros, with all their research and resources, couldn't beat the simple, lazy approach. So how do you actually do this? It's incredibly straightforward. You can open an account with any major brokerage firm like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Then you search for an index fund. Some popular tickers you might see are VIEW or IVV for the S&P 500, or VTI, which is a total stock market index fund that gives you a piece of almost every publicly traded company in the US, over 3,000 of them. Once you buy your shares, the lazy part truly begins. Your job isn't to check the price every day. It's not to panic when the market goes down or get overly excited when it goes up. Your job is to let it sit. The real magic of this strategy is something called compounding. Your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning their own returns. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger over time. The longer you let it roll, the more powerful it becomes. This is how real, sustainable wealth is built quietly and consistently in the background. Don't get caught up in the hype you see online about some hot stock that's supposed to triple overnight. That's not investing. That's gambling. The tried and true path to financial success for most of us is much less dramatic. It's about consistency, diversification, and patience. Buy a market, keep contributing what you can when you can, and let time do the heavy lifting. It's the simplest, most effective way for a beginner to start building a solid financial future without the stress. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this cleared things up and showed you that you don't need to be a Wall Street genius to succeed in investing. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward financial tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.